Hello everyone, it's Jo from Jo's Kitchen here, and I'm here today with Thomas, who is, how old are you?
4.
And Daniel. Say hello, Daniel.
Hello.
Hello. And Daniel is age 2, and today we're going to show you how to make easy flatbread pizzas. So what we've got is we've got some toppings that I will show you in a second, and we've got these nice flatbreads that we got from Tesco's. They're from a brand called Corsica and Milica or something like that. Okay? And we've got lots of toppings. And basically the rule is with the kids is whatever they put on the pizzas is what they eat. Okay? So we're going to put our toppings on now. Okay? The toppings we're using for our pizzas are spinach, red pepper, grated mozzarella cheese, spring onions, tomato and herb pizza sauce, sweet corn which I've just drained from a can,
and
cucumber, mushrooms and some chopped up ham. I've also got a little bit of chorizo, but that's just for Mommy. So there's Daniel's pizza, ready for the oven. This is my pizza, and that's Thomas's pizza. And now we're going to cook these in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes or so. And here are the finished pizzas. As you can see, somebody can't wait to dig in. And this is Thomas's pizza.
When can we eat?
Okay.
When can we eat?
We've finished our pizzas now. They're cooked. And they look very, very tasty. Wouldn't you agree, Thomas? So now you can eat them.
Yay!
So thank you very much for watching. If you like, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd really like us, then please subscribe. And stay tuned for more cooking adventures, either me on my own or me with these two here as well. So thank you very much for watching. And remember boys, the rule is you made the pizza, so you eat it. Thank you very much. Bye!
Bye!
There we go. Done. Now you can eat.
Yay!